I have a question for you. How has your sense of what's enough and what it takes for you to feel satisfied in life changed over the course of your lifetime? How has your idea of having it all and the balance between the different kinds of abundance changed over time? Material prosperity, personal and career, success, family, personal growth, faith, and or spirituality. How has that changed? Think of a time when you felt imbalanced, completely imbalanced. What was that like? Think of a time when these things were out of balance. Did having a lot of one or two things compensate for the lack of the other things that you valued? Hi, I'm Lisa Nichols. Join me live on Success Resources virtual event platform, because one of the main goals for the session is to define what is a good life or the good life for you. I look forward to seeing you there.